Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, welcome to the new update on MBOX. For the past several days, the price of MBOX is getting rejected by this downtrend and resistance. By the way, you can see that when we found this downtrend and resistance at the same time, it was also rejected by another downtrend and resistance, and that was in fact the resistance of a very huge falling wedge pattern that is formed on the 7 days time frame chart. Now we are moved to the 7 days time frame. And here you can see that for the past several months, since after the month of March 2022, almost for more than 2 years, it is moving inside this wedge. We had a rejection here. We had so many touch points here. We had a few touch points here, by the way, and we had few more touch points here. Then we had several touch points here. Then we had another bounce. Then the price and got rejected by the resistance of the wedge. And then we had another bounce from here, and recently, it was once again rejected here in the month of December, in the first week of December 2024. And recently, you can see that the price line is once again bounced very well from the support of the wedge. And we have also tested this very long-term support of 11.5 cents as well. Despite this long spike to the downside, the pricing could not break down this support, and now it is still moving at this support as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Golem, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade signal, like this signal I shared on 18th of Feb 2025 in my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. This was a very massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of MBOX. And on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several weeks, since after the first week of December 2024, it is getting rejected by this downtrend and resistance. And while moving to the downside recently, we have also tested this long-term support of a bigger falling wedge pattern as well. On the daily time frame chart, you can see that we for a while we also broke down this long-term support of 11.5 cents. But on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we just had a spike beyond this support that could not break it down, and still we are moving at the support of 11.5 cents. And in case of breaking out this downtrend and resistance, I'm expecting that soon we can hit the resistance of the wedge. By the way, before the resistance of the wedge, there will be another very strong long-term resistance of uh, 20 cents. Approximately at 20 cents, we have this resistance. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that this 20 cents has been previously breaking at the resistance here and support here. Therefore, again, it can break at the resistance, and then it can hit the resistance of the wedge somewhere here, approximately at 22 or 23 cents. And in case of breaking out this resistance, the bigger falling wedge pattern, we can expect a very massive rally. And the technical target for the breakout from that rally, or from that breakout from this falling wedge pattern, will be here at the top of this wedge. That will be approximately at $4. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.